Yes friends, good morning. This video from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes on functioning of heart, friends. This is the third and last video on functioning of heart, friends. Functioning of heart has 3 videos, friends. That is in the video number 1, that is our series 238. In that video we discussed about the nodal tissue, that is 1/3 of the functioning of heart. In that video we discussed about nodal tissue, friends. In the video number 2/3, that is in our series 338, friends. In that video we discussed about the cardiac cycle. And this is the last video, friends. That is 3/3, that is in our series it is 339. In this video we are going to discuss about the cardiac output and double circulation, friends. So when you are going to write about the functioning of heart, you have to write 4 events, friends. One is, what is that, friends? Nodal tissue. Second one is cardiac cycle. Third one is cardiac output. Fourth one is double circulation. Okay, friends. In this video we are going to discuss about cardiac output, friends. Friends, what is cardiac output? See, friends, what is cardiac output? Cardiac output means what, friends? The volume of blood pumped out by the heart from each ventricle per minute is termed as cardiac output. Friends, what is cardiac output, friends? The volume of blood. See, friends, that is second definition. The volume of blood pumped out by heart from each ventricle per minute is termed as cardiac output. Once again, friends, what is cardiac output? It is also called as heart output. The volume of blood pumped out by the heart from each ventricle per minute is termed as cardiac output. Okay, friends, this cardiac output, see, friends, here here there is a equation, friends. Cardiac output is equal to stroke volume into number of beats per minute. What is cardiac output, friends? Cardiac output is equal to stroke volume into number of beats per minute. Now here, what is stroke volume, friends? See, friends, here first definition. The stroke volume, the volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle for each heartbeat is known as stroke volume. See, friends, here please concentrate on 2 words. The volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle for each heartbeat is called as stroke volume, friends. Same definition, the volume of blood pumped out by heart from each ventricle per minute is called as cardiac output. So, stroke volume into number of heartbeats becomes what, friends? Cardiac output. Okay, friends. Now see, friends, once again, what is cardiac output? Once again, friends. See, friends, the volume of blood pumped out by the heart from each ventricle per minute is called as cardiac output. See, friends, here, remember this equation. Cardiac output is equal to stroke volume into number of beats per minute. That is what, friends? Heart rate. See, friends, the stroke volume is 70 ml, friends. 70 ml per beat. So, from each ventricle, 70 ml of blood is coming out from each ventricle in one heartbeat. So, into 72 times, friends, it becomes what, friends? 5040 ml. Means it is approximately 5 liters of blood, friends. Means what, friends? Our heart is pumping total blood, that is 5 liters of blood per minute to the various body parts, friends. That is about the cardiac output, friends. Okay? Now come to double circulation, friends. What is double circulation, friends? It is a circulation in which blood passes through the heart twice in a circulation is called double circulation. You know, friends, vertebrates have 2 types of circulation. One is single circulation and the one is double circulation. Single circulation is present in fishes. Double circulation is present in vertebrates. From amphibians to mammals. But amphibians and reptiles have incomplete double circulation. Birds and mammals have complete double circulation, friends. Okay, friends. Now, what is double circulation? See, friends, it is a circulation in which blood passes through the heart twice in a circulation is called double circulation. Okay, friends. In a circulation, blood is passing through the heart twice, friends. That is called a double circulation. This double circulation has two steps, friends. One is pulmonary circulation and the other one is systemic circulation. Friends, what is pulmonary circulation? Pulmonary indicates what, friends? Lungs. Systemic indicates what, friends? Body parts. So in the pulmonary circulation, what is pulmonary circulation, friends? See, friends, it is a circulation between the heart to lungs and lungs to heart. What is pulmonary circulation? It is a flow of blood from heart to lungs, lungs to heart. See, friends, lungs are the respiratory organs. You know, friends, right atrium receives impure blood from the various body parts through vena cava. From that right atrium, blood enters into the right ventricle during atrial systole. From right ventricle, during ventricular systole, through pulmonary aorta, blood enters into the lungs. In the lungs, it purifies. Through pulmonary veins, it reaches to the left atrium. So that is circulation of blood between whom, friends? Heart to lungs. Heart means what, friends? From left ventricle to lungs. Lungs to right atrium. Left atrium. Friends, once again, friends, right ventricle to lungs, lungs to left atrium. That is called as what, friends? Pulmonary circulation. Once again, friends, what is pulmonary circulation? Pulmonary means lungs. It is a circulation between the heart to lungs and lungs to heart. See, friends, this also called as lesser circulation. Friends, why it is called as lesser circulation, friends? Here the blood is pumping to the lungs. Lungs are very nearer to the heart. So blood is pumping to the nearer part of the heart. So because of that, it is called as lesser circulation. See, friends, in this, right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood into lungs through pulmonary aorta for purification. In the pulmonary circulation, right ventricle is pumping deoxygenated blood or carboxylated blood to lungs through what, friends? Through pulmonary aorta. For what, friends? For purification. See, friends, right ventricle deoxygenated blood, pulmonary arteries deoxygenated blood. To whom, friends? Lungs. Next, friends, from lungs, in reverse directions, from lungs, the oxygenated blood pumped into left atrium through pulmonary veins. So after purification, lungs, from lungs, the blood reaches to the left atrium through what, friends? Through pulmonary veins. See, friends, lungs have oxygenated blood, they send pulmonary veins to left atrium. Okay, friends, this is about what, friends? Pulmonary circulation. One. In the pulmonary circulation, transport deoxygenated blood to lungs to absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide. In the pulmonary circulation, what happened, friends? The blood which contains carbon dioxide is absorbed by the lungs and release oxygen into the blood. Okay, friends. Now come to systemic circulation, friends. Now come to systemic circulation. Friends, systemic indicates what, friends? Systemic indicates body parts. It is a circulation between, friends, it is a circulation between what, friends? Between the heart to body parts and body parts to heart. Systemic circulation means what, friends? Systemic means body parts. Here it is a circulation between the heart to body parts and body part to heart. So this is also called as greater circulation, friends. Friends, why it is called as greater circulation? Here the heart is pumping blood to distant parts of the body, either top of the head and tip of the toe. So because of that, it is called as greater circulation. Friends, pulmonary circulation is called as lesser circulation. Systemic circulation is called as greater circulation. In this, the oxygenated blood flows from left atrium to left ventricle. See, friends, in the systemic circulation, the oxygenated blood first from left atrium, it enters into the left ventricle. Friends, this left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to body parts through aorta. What is the aorta, friends? Systemic aorta or left systemic arch. Okay, friends. See, friends, The oxygenated blood entering the aorta is carried by a network of arteries, arterioles and capillaries to the tissues. So the main artery is what, friends? Aorta. This aorta splits into arteries, arteries splits into arterioles, arterioles splits into capillaries, and they supply blood to the tissues. They supply oxygen to the tissues, friends. From tissues, the deoxygenated blood is collected by a system of venules. See, friends, in reverse direction. Venules by capillaries, venules, veins and vena cava, and emptied into the right atrium. So from heart to aorta, aorta to arteries, arteries to arterioles, arterioles to capillaries. That's a pure blood, friends. In the tissues, capillaries collect the impure blood, capillaries fuse to form venules, venules fuse to form veins, veins to fuse to form vena cava, that is inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. These inferior vena cava and superior vena cava opens into right atrium, friends. Now see, friends, the systemic circulation, what is the use of the systemic circulation? Provides nutrients, that is food, and oxygen and other essential substances to the tissues. So what is the need of systemic circulation, friends? It is supplying, it is providing nutrients, oxygen and essential substance to the tissues. And also, see, friends, collects carbon dioxide and other harmful substances from the tissues. Okay, that is about the what, friends? Systemic circulation. See, friends, what is the significance of the double circulation? Friends, significance of double circulation. It prevents mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. So what is the importance of the double circulation, friends? Double circulation is preventing the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Next, friends, it allows efficient supply of oxygen to the body cells. This double circulation is allowing what, friends? Efficient supply of oxygen to the body cells. That is about the what, friends? Significance of the double circulation. Okay, friends. So that is about our functioning of the heart. Okay, friends. Now see, friends, here. This is the heart, friends. This blue one is the impure blood. This red one is the pure blood. See, friends. Now see, this is the right side, is the left side. Right side has impure blood, friends. See, capillaries in the tissue region collecting the impure blood. Through vena cava, it is entering into the right atrium. Right atrium to right ventricle to what, friends? Pulmonary aorta, pulmonary aorta to lungs, friends. In the lungs, the deoxygenated blood converted into oxygenated blood after purification. The oxygenated blood from pulmonary veins enters into the left atrium to left ventricle to whom, friends? To the body parts through aorta. Okay, friends. Now you see one more image, friends. See, friends, lungs, this is the left side, oxygenated blood. This is the right side, carboxylated blood. From lungs, pulmonary veins are carrying blood to the left atrium to left ventricle. Here we have what, friends? In between these two, bicuspid valve. From left ventricle to aorta to whole body. From whole body, impure blood, friends. Pulmonary, it enters into right atrium to right ventricle. Here we have tricuspid valve. See, friends, this is forget about, friends. This is not pulmonary artery, friends. Forget about this, friends. Vena cava to lungs. Okay. See, once again, friends, one more simple diagram. Right ventricle to deoxygenated blood to pulmonary artery, lungs. Oxygenated blood, pulmonary veins to left atrium. Left auricle to left ventricle to aorta, oxygenated blood, friends. Body parts, deoxygenated blood, vena cava to right auricle. So this one is, below one is what, friends? Systemic circulation. Above one is pulmonary circulation. You see it, friends. Please see it, friends. Okay. Now, friends, please don't need to write this in the function of the heart, but you have to know what is lub and dub. See, lub and dub are the heart sounds, friends. Lub is the first heart sound. Dub is the second heart sound. See, it is also called as S1. Lub is called as S1, friends. It is the first heart sound. It is a systolic sound. It is a ventricular systole. The sound, the first heart sound is produced during ventricular systole, friends. Here what happened, friends? Closure of AV valves. What are AV valves, friends? Tricuspid and bicuspid valve. And it starts at the beginning of the ventricular systole. Friends, see, neat question. Lub produced during what, friends? Beginning of the ventricular systole. So it is loud sound. Now it is dull sound. It is longer duration. What is its duration, friends? 0.15 seconds. Now come to dub, friends. It is also called as S2 or sound 2. It is second heard sound. It is diastolic sound. Diastole of whom, friends? Ventricular diastole. So closure of semilunar valves produces this sound. When, friends? End of the ventricular systole. End of the ventricular diastole, friends. Sorry, friends, it is ventricular diastole. Yes, sorry, friends. Closure of the ventricular systole. Next, louder sound. It is sharp, snap sound. It is sharp sound. It's shorter duration. That's 0.12 seconds. Friends, please don't write this in your functioning of the heart. This is for NEET and EAMCET only. Okay, friends? This is about what, friends? Functioning of the heart. This is about what, friends? Functioning of the heart. Okay, friends? Thank you. Good day, friends. What's your question? Write about the functioning of the heart. Functioning of the heart has 3 videos, friends. In the first video, we discussed about the nodal tissue, that is 1/3, serial number 238. In the 2/3, in the second video, we discussed about the cardiac cycle. In the third video, that is serial number 339, we discussed about the cardiac output and double circulation, friends. Thank you, friends. Good day.